what a shock when I went to snip parsley from my herb garden and it was completely gone. These beautiful bugs were on what was left of the plant. How do I prevent this from happening again? Thanks, and this is Donna from Washington, D.C. All right, so yeah, of course it's feeding on her parsley, right? And that would be, we call it the parsley worm or parsley caterpillar, right? Which will become the beautiful eastern black swallowtail butterfly. But she wants to prevent this from happening again. How would she do that?
There are netting that you can buy that you could cover over your parsley plants that would prevent them from laying their eggs on the parsley leaves. And that's probably going to be the best thing that she can do. I would not use any type of chemicals at all. That's not anything we want to do. That is their favorite food. And they're going to be searching out a place to lay those eggs so that their larvae, as they develop, will have something to eat on.
I would agree with that. Yeah, so they like to feed on plants in the carrot family.
That's correct.
So either you're going to plant enough, right? Or you're going to have to share.
That's right.
So I would share with them, and yeah, if it's that much of a problem as done, I would just hand pick those off. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about trying to use any chemicals, anything like that. You'll be just fine. Yeah, so plant enough. They eat it down. Yeah, guess what? It'll come back.
Plant more and share.
Plant more and share is what I like to do. Yeah, let's share with those beautiful bugs out there, right? Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.